Star Micronics produces automatic lathes for global users that supports and develops high-speed precision machining. As the machining sectors are developing to include automobile, electronic equipment, and medical parts, demand for Star Micronics CNC automatic multi-axis lathes, which meet the advanced machining needs in today's market, is exploding. The Kikugawa factory in Japan and the Dalian factory in China are the two production plants. These plants strive for high quality and high productivity and also employ means to preserve the environment from every angle. The location of the Kikugawa factory, a major production base, could hardly be better. It is situated close to the Kikugawa interchange of the Tomei Expressway and has easy access to the newly opened Shizuoka Airport. There are 5 blocks of the factory, covering a total floor area of 23,534 square meters. These blocks form a production system to keep pace with the demand for the ICA series, which stunned the world with its motion control system, as well as the best-selling SB and SR series core products. Let's have a look at the production process at the Kikugawa factory. Production progresses through the processes of the machining of major components, assembly of major units, assembly of total machines, on-site adjustment, test running, and shipment. This is a major component machining process. It incorporates the most advanced equipment and machining environment for high precision, as well as streamlined and unattended systems where required for improved productivity. Major components include casting, such as beds and round components typified by spindles. Flat components are roughly ground by FMS, then machined by a surface grinder and a dovetail grinder, all at the first block, and finally finished by a jig borer in a temperature-controlled room at the second block. The FMS line, which combines 3 mid-sized 5 surface finishing machines, a washing machine, a work stocker, and a stacker crane, enables the unattended rough grinding of flat components. The dovetail grinding process is for finishing the dovetail guide surfaces with high rigidity, a distinctive feature Star Micronics can offer. The jig bore process is for boring and surface finishing of flat components. Highly accurate machining, including dimensional measurement, is completed unattended here. In order to ensure a high degree of accuracy, turrets are finished not alone but as assembled units. The machining facility, equipped with a device for automatically indexing each plane of turrets, improves productivity. Round components are rough ground by turning center at the first block, then are heat-treated and finished by a cylindrical grinder, an internal cylindrical grinder, a thread grinder, an inner-outer diameter compound grinder, and other machines in the 5th block. The turning center is used for machining short-sized and large-diameter round components and flange parts. Both the front and rear sides of workpieces can be machined efficiently by a single machine in one operation. A system combining a loader and a work stocker allows unmanned operation. The 5th block houses one of the best parts machining setups in the industry. It is equipped with the most advanced facilities for unmanned grinding of critical precision parts, such as spindles and other round components. Temperature in the room is controlled, and forced air circulation ensures uniform temperature distribution in order to limit temperature change and avoid deterioration of machining accuracy. At the same time, a dehumidifier has been installed to get oil mist from grinding fluid out of the room to enhance the working environment. The NC screw grinder with loader is for screw cutting of spindle OD. This machine is equipped with a work stocker to accommodate 50 work pieces and allow extended unmanned operation. This is the finishing of round components by an NC vertical ID-OD compound grinder. The ID, OD, and end face can be machined by a single setting of a workpiece, greatly improving both machining accuracy and productivity. Look at the assembly process. Under strict temperature control, each of Star Micronics products is carefully assembled by skilled workers using Star's proven techniques. The third block for assembly incorporates a windowless design to shut out solar heat and a floor heating system to eliminate localized temperature differences in the room. Room temperature is strictly kept at 21 to 22 degrees Celsius during the winter and around 24 degrees Celsius during the summer to achieve the optimum environment for assembling high-precision machines. Through a precise measuring process, all machined parts and procured parts used for assembly are checked for dimensional accuracy by a three-dimensional measuring machine and a roundness measuring machine, and componential analysis by an X-ray fluorescence spectrometer to confirm reliability and safety. The automated warehouse continuously monitors and controls parts inventory, including incoming and outgoing parts. Computers are also used for accurate production control. A scraping process to remove minor irregularities and deformations produced on the cutting surface during machining to a level of 0.0001 millimeters in order to achieve perfect flatness. This process embodies Star Micronics' commitment to accuracy of contact surfaces and fits by holding to uncompromising standards. Assembly of spindle units includes adjustment of key ways to achieve final accuracy by the micron, precision measurement, and so on. Final adjustment in particular is done precisely to complete the assembly process, as it may affect machining accuracy. This is an alignment process. Final adjustment is done in both the control and mechanical aspects to align each movable axis accurately with the spindle center. After finishing alignment, wiring, and on-site adjustment, the completed products are transferred for test running from the assembly process. The second block, with completed machines standing in shipment order, a final check is done here before shipment. Positions of completed machines are input by model and serial number to provide positional information in real time for simple recognition. All completed machines are shipped to both domestic and overseas users after a dry run or final test of actual machining to ensure quality. Star Micronics is positively involved in the EMS activities company-wide through a broad range of approaches such as development of environmentally friendly products, green procurement, and reduction of waste generation. In March 2002, Star Micronics was granted ISO 14001 certification, the global standard for environmental management systems. With a view to the RoHS directives, we recently introduced an X-ray fluorescence spectrometer. This is for detecting 6 hazardous substances, including lead and mercury, which are specified by the RoHS directives. Procured parts are screened thoroughly. The external cover manufacturing line integrates an electrostatic powder coating system. Powder coating without using organic solvent contributes to the decrease of environmental loads through the prevention of air pollution caused by solvent volatilization and a drastic reduction of wastewater and other industrial wastes. The Dalian factory, the other production base, is in the Dalian Economic and Technological Development Zone, where many leading Japanese companies have also set up business. A high-quality and high-productivity system, similar to the Kikugawa factories, has been established by utilizing the most modern facilities. Star Micronics strengthens its partnership with China, which is rapidly becoming the workshop of the world, as well as becoming a growing market itself. The Star brand has a reputation for high reliability, backed up by strong development power, which continues producing unique products using the best new technology and by excellent customer support through the global network. Star Micronics production plants, both the Kikugawa factory and the Dalian factory, maintain a balance between high productivity, a high-quality production system, and advanced environmental measures. We are determined to seek further evolution to respond to the world users' expectations.